Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabiha. Wala nang ninanais, ligaya at labis. Oh, magandang dilag. Bawat lakad mo lahat sila'y napapatingin. Di mo aari ba't ganon ang nangyayari sa akin? Isang ngiti mo lang parang nakakabaliw. Ano bang ginawa mo? Ako'y naaaliw. Tinatanaw kita.
Hi guys! Maganda ang weather ngayon dito sa Sweden. It's 21 degrees. So naisipan namin ni Afam na mag-grill sa labas. At dito na rin kakain ng dinner dito sa labas. Sulitin namin yung magandang panahon. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng weather mga kabesh. Tingnan nyo, ibang-iba siya nung winter. Kasi may mga dahon na yung mga puno. Ayan. At nandun na si Afam. Naghahanda na ng pang-grill namin.
That's birthmark.
Birthmark?
You can make any letter on your body if you want. It's
Oh my God,
permanent
no.
tattoo.
No.
You want to try it?
No, I don't want to try. I don't want to try. Is it ready for a grill?
Yeah, I guess so.
So, what can I do now?
Huh?
Just watching you?
Yeah, but you can take care of this if you want.
Yeah. No problem.
It's just it's pork. It's pork fillet.
Yeah.
Filet mignon, right? So you just have to barbecue this. Well done, I guess. And here's a little extra sauce if you like to. It's barbecue sauce
Yeah.
from America. There you go. And
Yeah, I can take care of that.
yeah, but don't burn it because it's easy to burn.
Okay.
You know, sugar. Barbecue sauce is a lot of sugar.
Ayan na, handa na yung mga pagkain namin. Let's eat. Let's eat mga kabesh.
My Besh.
I'm gonna use my hand.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
But in Sweden we eat with silverware.
Yeah, but I miss to use hand. I wash my hand, actually. But is it okay?
This is homemade garlic sauce if you like. Good to anyone. Good anywhere. I put like the taco cheese on the salad.
Very good.
And I still drink the Christmas beer. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Takes time for me to drink a beer. I'm 6 months late now.
You still have?
Yeah.
Me?
Now I'm like for six cans. Try my garlic bread.
Yeah, after my
You see?
rice.
Garlic. I got it. Homemade garlic bread. It needs more salt.
What time you gonna check the other bread?
42.
I don't have the time here.
It's on Google Assistance.
It's good to sit outside.
Yeah. That's what we try. We try as much as possible here in Sweden to sit outside.
Yeah.
This is the only chance we have, like from April till October. This is the time we can enjoy the weather like we want it. But we still like the other seasons, of course.
Yeah.
But it's nice not to wear so much. You can go with your shorts or t-shirt outside.
But in the morning it was raining.
Yeah, but it rains in Philippines also, right?
Mm.
You see, this house will never be flooded. Will never be flooded because we are on the top.
Yeah.
But those down there, you never know if it floods. Because this city had problem with flooding.
Before?
Yeah.
Did you experience that?
No, not me. It was before I moved here. 15 years ago.
It's really good. Oh my God.
2 days of top food. 2 days of top food.
We still have left over there.
Yeah. You want me to say something? Some for you?
What?
You want me to save some pork lechon for you? Danish pork lechon.
Yeah, you watch the TV series of the Filipino Norwegian, the chef.
But he's really mean. He don't like his own food.
Exactly.
But is he like throwing shit on Filipino food all over the show?
I think so.
Where is he from?
Norway. Filipino Norwegian, right?
Or what? I mean, his mother or his roots from Manila or
I'm not sure.
Cebu. Cheers. Yeah, this is live. This is the future. You eat with your phone. And then you broadcast it to the world. So does it look nice? Because I can't see because I don't wear my glasses.
Maybe I look so fat on the video.
Yeah, but I'm landing my stomach on my legs, so it's. An alarm is going. When did you grab the bread?
My God, busog na busog ako mga ka-besh.
Sure, you don't want your champagne?
I want it.
Here. It's very good for the movie, you know, drinking champagne, right? No, it's actually cava, so it's not the real champagne, but it's almost the same. Cava is very popular in Europe.
I want.
Did you try my garlic bread?
No, not yet. I'm gonna eat my rice first. So that I'm strong for tomorrow.
The rice makes you strong. What I was talking about before is there are some anti-inflammatory food inflammation, you know, in the body. When you eat the wrong food, it really makes your body get sick with like the regular food, like white bread, pork, fat food. But you have some anti-inflammatory food that you can eat that makes your body stronger.
I'm getting full already.
That's your bread. And you still have the salad.
Are you ashamed I'm eating with my hand?
No, I also like to eat with my hand when I were a kid. But yeah, sometimes I eat with my hands. When I eat chicken, for example. When it's like made to be, of course we eat with our hands. We go to McDonald's and eat with our hands. But if I go to a nice restaurant here in Sweden, eat with my hands, all the people will look at me and my God, that guy is dirty.
If you're in the restaurant, you don't have to eat your food using your hand.
So do we have a new TV series to watch? We've been watching what's the name of the Pose? Really good one. Do we have anything else to watch?
No, I don't know. I'm not interested. The second movie.
No,
Yes,
it was
yeah.
more old time. It was more
It's
documentary.
boring.
Yeah, it was a documentary. But did you feel that that was the inspiration for the post?
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
for those strands.
Mm-hmm.
I can try your bread.
Of course. That's Filipino bread.
That's good.
No. There's
Yeah.
better.
Hmm?
There's better, right? Yeah.
That's good, yeah.
But you can find better, right? I'm a worse cook. I'm a worse
No.
chef.
No.
But there's two types. One with butter and one with oil.
Uh-huh.
But it tastes garlic, right?
Yeah.
So you will bring that to your hotel tomorrow
No.
and give them their breath all day. Mm. So I went abroad yesterday. First time since
You went to Denmark?
the great COVID-19 came. I was there just last year also, but then Denmark closed. So yeah, almost 24 hours in Denmark, illegal. Yeah. Oh my god. We need to walk another round now. Eating so much food.
No, I'm tired.
What's the subject for today?
I don't know. I need to stop the video now.
Are you sure? You don't want to talk about anything?
No.
Blanca?
Go. It's
Come on.
really pain all
Come
over
on.
my body.
You want me to bring the phone? You don't have to walk. Stop it. This is how it works.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.